Honestly, if you'd told me 10 years ago that I'd be losing my mind over a city's infrastructure, I would have called you crazy. Yeah, but here I am, standing in the middle of Shenzhen, and let me tell you, this place is living in 2050, while the rest of us are still trying to figure out how to fix a pothole. The first thing that hits you isn't even the scale of the skyscrapers, though they're massive. It's the vibe. It's electric. You step off the plane and it feels like you've walked onto the set of a big-budget sci-fi flick, but without the dystopian gloom. Everything is sleek, everything is silver, and this is the kicker, everything is quiet. Since every single bus and taxi is electric, the city doesn't have that typical metropolis roar. It's just this low-key hum of progress. The cashless hustle. I tried to pull out some cash for a coffee on my first morning, and the barista looked at me like I had two heads. It was a total rookie mistake. Over here, your phone is your lifeline. You don't pay for things, you just scan a QR code, and boom, done. From the high-end boutiques to the literal hole-in-the-wall dumpling spots, it's all digital. If you don't have WeChat or Alipay hooked up, you're basically a ghost in the machine. Innovation on steroids. I spent an afternoon in Huaqiang Bay, which is basically the Silicon Valley of hardware. It's insane. Imagine a shopping mall the size of several city blocks, but instead of clothes, every floor is packed with microchips, LEDs, and drone parts. It's a maker's paradise. I saw a kid, couldn't have been older than 20, soldering something that looked like a custom VR rig right there on the counter. The sheer hustle is contagious. There's no, we'll get to it next week energy here. It's more like, we needed this done yesterday. High-tech hospitality dinner was another trip. I went to this hot pot place where the waiters were these little waist-high robots zipping around the floor. They don't run into you, they don't get your order wrong, and they don't expect a tip. Though, as an American, the no-tipping culture is still a hard habit to break. Even the parks are teched out. I took a stroll through a green belt near the Nanshan district, and the benches had built-in wireless charging pads. I'm sitting there, looking at a 600-year-old banyan tree while my phone is juicing up on a piece of street furniture. Talk about a clash of worlds, right? The takeaway. Look, I love home, but coming here is a massive reality check. The speed at which they build and innovate is just next level. It's not just about the gadgets, though. It's about how integrated it all is. It's seamless. You get used to the convenience so fast that going back to physical credit cards and gas-guzzling cars is going to feel like stepping back into the Stone Age. Shenzhen isn't just a city anymore, it's a blueprint. And man, it's a wild ride to see it in person.